Okay, we're going to use the properties of logarithms that we've been working on to find the values indicated below. So you first have to identify what is it that you want to find. You want to find log 64, but they only give us the approximations of log 12, log 8, and log 7. Well, 64 is 8 squared. So you could rewrite that as log 8 squared, and then using the properties of logarithm, where does the exponent, what's the power rule? It's multiplication. So that 2 gets brought down and it's going to multiply against log 8. Just like that. Well, we know what log 8 is. Log 8 is about 0.9. So instead of log 8, we can substitute 0.9, and then we rewrite it as log 64 is about 2 times 0.9 is 1.8. So that is everything. That's how you'd show me that you understand properties of logarithms. So the next one is a little bit more difficult. Now we have log 588. Well, you just have to mess around to see which of those numbers go into 588. So I divided 8 first, and then that didn't work out as an integer to use these other numbers. I think it did, but it didn't work out. So the next number I tried was 12. Well, when I divided 588 by 12, I got 49. Well, 49 is 7 squared. Well, now when we use the properties of logarithms, there's a couple things going on. What does multiplication expand to? And what happens when a log has an exponent? Well, that 2 is going to come in front, but what does multiplication expand to? So think about laws of exponents. When you multiply powers of the same base, what do you do with those exponents? You add them. Multiplication expands to addition. So we have log 12 plus log 7, but that exponent comes down in front. Well, now we know what log 12 approximates. It approximates 1.1. So instead of log 12, we can now substitute. And we know log 7 approximates 0.8, but we have 2 times 0.8. And then when you simplify that, you rewrite log 588 is about, and then you just do the math. 2 times 0.8 is 1.6. 1.6 plus 1.1 is 2.7. All right, and that'll be it for this one.